Hi, this is Dave from Doggone Dog Products. One of our customers recently expressed concern that his mat was not staying in place because the Velcro had become gummed up with fuzz and hair and even fleece from the mat. So I thought it'd be a good idea to show you how easy this is to clean and bring your mat back to 100% effectiveness. So I'm using one of our mats. This is one we sent through the washer and dryer 25 times to see that there's no degradation in the seat cover, so it should last a long time. But in washing it, it gets really full of fleece. So let me show you how we do this. It's really simple. I'm going to use a Scotch tape that I bought at Walmart for 99 cents. And the thing about this Scotch tape is there's a metal blade in here, teeth to cut the tape. So let me set this down and show you how this works. You're just going to take the teeth and rub it across the Velcro like this. And then pick off all the junk. Now your Velcro is back to like new. And you use something that you probably have around the house. If you have any other questions, please write me at dave@doggonedog.com and we'll see if we can straighten things out for you. Thanks for being a customer. Bye-bye.